Hello children. Today's topic is exploring life skill in our daily life. I think approximately we all know what the life skills are because in our whole life we learn so many skills. But what skill we need to learn in our life or what skills we need to do our daily course to make our relationship better, to be in our life very effective and impact our impact should be better than before. So we need to learn life skill stands for logical thinking, interpersonal relationships, firmness or assertiveness, empathy, self awareness, kindness, independence, lateral thinking, leadership, and self esteem. In life skill, we need major three skills: social or interpersonal skills, like how we are going to build our relationship with society or with our relatives or other persons. Emotional skills, where we learn how to manage, how to assess, and how to behave according to ours and as well as others' emotion. Third skill, which comes in life skill, that is cognitive or thinking skill. These three basic skills we need in our life on a daily basis, in our whole life. Social or communication skills or interpersonal skills contain four major skills, that is communication skill, assertive skill, and cooperation skill and empathy. In cognitive or thinking skills, we need problem solving, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, self awareness. After that, in emotional skill, we need to manage our emotions, manage our stress, and resisting all the pressures which come from others. So in life skill, we need to learn how we are going to cope with our day-to-day struggles, day-to-day works, and to improve our capabilities and abilities in terms of building relationship, in terms of building our career, and in terms of being impactive and effective in our whole life. First thing in life skill which is very important, that is self awareness. Hope you all know what is self awareness. Where from self awareness we can recognize our pressures, stress, and our strength, which can build our performance very well. Then we need to focus on empathy, which is ability to imagine what other or our life is like for another person. Without empathy, our communication with other, even our behavior with other will not make an impact on others. So we need to know how they are feeling before we are going to react or before we are going to talk. After that, so many things will come, but today our focus will be on self awareness, empathy, interpersonal skill, and effective communication. Thank you.